Michael Jackson, Human Nature Ending, Evolution, 1984 to 2009. Well, shout out to MJOuttakes for the video. We're back at it again with another Michael Jackson reaction video. And we're going to react to more of, should I say dance moves? I would say a little bit of both performance and dance moves. We're going to react to Human Nature, the ending. We're going to react to the evolution of that performance, the end performance, from 1984, I'm assuming the Victory Tour, all the way to 2009 to the rehearsals of This Is It before he passed away. I'm sure this is going to be a very interesting video. Listen, y'all, I'm not going to speak too much more. I'm excited to see it. So without further ado, let's get right to the video here.
Did you tell me this was over? Hey. There ain't no use talking me over. Why didn't you try to tell me sooner? Didn't you tell me this was over?
Go intro. Alright. See what's up here. Alright.
I like it in this way. I like love in this way.
Okay. Alright. Like I said, I have no idea what that movie is. If y'all do, let me know down in the comments. Is that like a standing moonwalk or like a standing in place moonwalk or something? At least that's what it looked like to me. See this move right here, this is what I'm talking about. Yeah, like a standing in place moonwalk. It's cool though.
Does he do me that way? I like it in this way.
I like the green light in the background. Kind of reminds me of Rocket Cube, kind of sort of. See that move right there? That is tough. Yeah, that's tough, bro. That's probably the best one I've seen. Yeah, that was definitely the best one out of all those ones in the Victory Tour, no question. Okay. Okay, alright, Tokyo. Alright, so far it's my favorite one so far. Okay. Okay. The effects, yeah, that's tough, bro. Wow. Alright. Second best? Okay. Alright. Yo, he had some godlike performances in Japan, bro. It's tough. Sorry, y'all. Sorry, I wanted to make my screen shorter so I could see the time. Okay, what is this? 19. Hold up. Gotta change it again just one more time. Sorry, y'all. Okay, that's 1987. Alright, gotcha. Alright, 1987. Alright, let's see. Okay. Okay. So it seems like he changed. Yeah. This is when he added that robot thing. Yep. He changed the performance of it. Not exactly sure why he did that, but it's cool. I like the one. I like the performance he did of this before. But I think adding that robot, I don't know, y'all. Do y'all think the performance was better before he added the robot? Like the self-in-place, like he's like trapped in a box or something? Y'all let me know down in the comments below. But I think both performances, versions of it are good. To be honest with you, really good. Okay, 1988. I think so far Japan are my favorites. Yeah, without question. See, he changed the lighting. Yeah. He was cool before, but this looks a lot better now. Yeah. Dope. Tough. Alright. This is like actual footage. Wow, look at this. Wow. Wow. Ain't that so? Look at that. Wow. Awesome. That's cool hearing the audience reactions to the mic. This is tough right here. Rare footage. Man, always go extra for Japan, bro. I know it ain't crazy because he always go extra for Japan, bro. I'm not sure it's because he likes the fans there more, but look at this. Kept the box. See, you see with he always be going. Yeah, definitely the Japan performances of Human Nature. Yeah, definitely are my favorite. Both of them in 1987 and this one right here. Yeah, that's tough. That's tough, bro. Damn. Shout out to Japan for being I guess the best Michael Jackson fans, I guess. Wow. Yeah, he always be going 1,000% in Japan. I noticed that. Dangerous Tour. Yeah, this is definitely my least favorite one he's done so far. I'm not sure if it's because of the daytime. Ugh. Yeah, I think Human Nature, like how Michael performs it, it's got to be done in the nighttime. It's just a different vibe, different energy. Like the scenery, I think the dark, like how dark it is outside, it makes the lights pop out more, and his dance move pop as well. Um, yeah, for sure. I don't think I've ever liked Human Nature, him performing it in the daytime. If y'all do like it in the daytime, like how he performs it here, let me know down in the comments below. I personally prefer him performing it in the night. I've heard that he also likes performing in the nighttime too. If I'm not accurate about that, please let me know down in the comments below. But from what I've heard in in interviews I've watched of him, he likes performing in the nighttime. So yeah, interesting. So you watch this. Look how bare it looks. Nighttime. See, look how better it looks, bro. Look how better this looks. See what I mean? It's just different. It's just different when he performs it in the night. Look at this, bro. That's so cool. Look. Tough, bro. Oh, I also like how they added this into future. Yeah, like the guitar. Yeah, that's tough. Yeah. Okay. I know one of my favorite performances. 1992. Okay. And Berlin. All right. So Japan, Berlin. Okay.
Like living this way.
Okay. This is after the allegations too, so yeah, damn, that's tough. This might be the last one of the victory tour. That's a victory tour, dangerous tour. Oh, okay.
I like living this way.
This might be the last one. The dangerous tour of him doing this. Listen, they're gonna add bloopers to this compilation here. Yeah, Berlin. Yeah, Berlin. I think that's Berlin. When he performed it here, that was the best version of him doing this at the Dangerous tour. But I listen, bro. The Japan versions, bro, of him doing this in 87, 88. Yeah, definitely the top ones, in my opinion, that I've seen so far in this video. Okay, this is 1993, about the end of 93. Recording too. Good to hear the audience reaction. It's tough. Alright. Telling you, footage like this is so rare. Alright, now this is a history tour. South. What is this? Royal Borneo, okay. Borneo, alright, 96, okay. Solid third place here. Oh wow, that was the only time he did it? What? That was the only time he performed Human Nature in the history tour? That's tough. I did not know that. Wow. Okay. Yeah, obviously this is it. It's up there too, bro. With 87, 80. Look at this, bro. Wow. Yeah, for a man who's about to die at this point. Wow. Yeah. Wow. Unbelievable. Unbelievable video. Shout out to MJOuttakes. Final thoughts. Japan, bro. Listen. I don't know what's good with Michael Japan. I'm not sure if he loves the fans that much, where he just wants to give more of himself to the audience, or just give a little bit more ounce of energy. But something about his Japan performances, bro, are just out of this world. All right, if you know what I mean, you know what I mean. If you don't know what I mean, please go check out his Japan performances. They're incredible. All right, favorite ones, flat out, top 3. Japan, all right, 87, both performances. 88's 3, and when he went back to Tokyo in 1988, that's 3rd, and then this is it, 2009. Those are the Mount Rushmore performances of him doing Human Nature, this ending performance sequence here. Yeah, absolutely amazing. Shout out to MJ. Rest in peace. Like I said before, numerous videos. He's just one of the greatest of all time. It's sad to see a legend like that. Like I said again in previous videos, go out the way he did, but it's all good. We still got his music, and man's been on a spiritual run so far in 2026, a revival of his career with the biopic and his music topping the charts and other things like that. But yeah, that's going to be it for this video here. If you like my reaction to MJOuttakes, like, comment, and subscribe, and come on over and join the MP fam over here on the channel. I love to hear from you guys. Can't continue liking, commenting, continue subscribing. I really do appreciate it. You just have no idea. If you like my reaction to MJ Outtakes, I have more in a playlist, more reaction videos. Go check them out. And I also have a gameplay video playlist as well of all the games I've played on this channel. Go check that out as well. If you want to check out more Michael videos, my clips of it, my videos, my shorts of me covering the film, the Michael biopic that just came out, reached over $1 billion in the global box office. Crazy. First biopic and only biopic to ever do that. The GOAT. It's crazy. It's just the GOAT. But anyways, yeah, if you guys want to see more videos of Michael on the channel, go check out my playlist. I'm sure you'll love it. And yeah, that's gonna be it. Y'all stay safe out here. Really do mean that. Please stay safe out here. And MP fam, I'm gonna catch you on the next one. See ya.